this is Licheng.
And welcome to our universe. So what you're seeing on the screen is the usual and normal version of the universe. However, as we're not satisfied with the normal version, we have a more extreme universe. And here it comes.
So basically, we are not satisfied with the regular universe, and we would like to have some elastic collision happen in our universe. And as you can see, now the Earth collide with Mars, and there is a elastic collision going on, and then the Earth crash the Sun, and everything fly away. So basically, what we did is we copy and paste the regular code from the NBodyExtreme, and we make a new one called NBodyExtreme and the BodyExtreme, and we made a method called elastic collision. And every time we run the main method, the while loop will check if there are two planets colliding with each other, and if it did, then it will invoke the elastic collision.
And then we decide to have our first black hole.
So over here you can see now in the command we have a actual we have one more variable put in, we have one more parameter put in, and that over here now is true, which means now there is a black hole. And the black hole over here we referred it to the sun. So some theories say, okay, maybe if the sun is large enough, and it might turn into a black hole, even though it might not be possible, but we make a simulation of a prediction. So over here you can see the sun's mass is expanding, and now the planets around it is orbiting faster and faster, and eventually the sun become a black hole, and now it's an inelastic collision, but actually it is not a collision because the black hole kind of eat the planets in it. And now the only two planets left are the Earth and the Mars, and we can see they are orbiting really fast around the sun because now the sun has a larger mass, so it will have a larger gravitational force.
And now we see the Earth is on the brink to be sunk by the black hole. And in the universe, we only have the black hole left. We'll see if we can wait till that moment. And lastly, we want to show a special version of a universe with the black hole.
So basically, it was the kaleidoscope in the data file, and it was pretty cool. And we found it also pretty interesting after we modified the code, so we decided to show you.
We can see with elasticity and the black hole property added into it, the universe is exhibiting a totally different way of operating. It's almost like an artwork.
And now the only planets around the sun are getting closer and closer. And as I said before, the black hole has a greater and greater mass, and the mass is still increasing gradually. And now the planets are orbiting faster, and eventually they will be eaten with the quotation mark by the black hole. And actually, for memorizing Stephen Hawking, and especially his famous series, Hawking radiation, so which means the information might not be destroyed by the black hole, and the black hole might gradually emit some kind of energy or some information in some sort of form. So in our code, we actually, the black hole will emit something, but it is not apparent.
Cool, so that's the universe we want to show you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.
See ya.